Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick review of this lettuce here, and you can see I kind of cut the front and the back of it, leaving this center row for probably a couple of days. I'll come out here and cut that. This is what I originally cut probably about 4 days ago. It is the first crop that I've gotten from this pine tree lettuce mix, and it basically is saying it is a lot of sweeter tasting loose leaf mix from France and Italy, but more of an American style. And when you eat just the leaf itself, you will get a few varieties that have got some bitterness to it. Once you put the dressing on it, though, you're not even going to see that. You can see you've got different varieties in here. You've got a little bit of red and just some plain. It's very good. I got the bigger package for $6.25 down there, and I've got almost up to here is full of seeds. So I am fine this year for seeds. I can let these go to seed in the fall and not have to repurchase anything. So this lettuce here, very good, very easy to grow. Couldn't have been simple, couldn't taste better, couldn't be easier to cut and get it to come back again. Great variety, highly recommend it. And it is in Pine Tree, and this is the catalog that we purchased that from. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.